I'd love you to make me a drink today that could either go well with pasta, like we saw with our bear, or like a chorizo salad.
We can definitely do that. Before we get started with anything, though, I want you to be safe behind the bar. So I brought you an apron so you don't get this beautiful shirt all messied up.
My mixologist shirt?
It's beautiful.
It's a little breakfasty, but...
There you are, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Woo.
So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a couple of drinks. This is the Sunnyside Fizz. The first ingredient we're going to use is going to be a lovely sun-dried tomato honey. It's gonna add the sweetness and a slight bit of umami to the cocktail.
Whoa.
3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We have gin as the main spirit. And then last but not least, important, we're using egg whites in this cocktail. The egg whites are gonna make it nice and frothy and fizzy. 1 egg white is about 1 ounce of egg white, so if you just put a whole ounce in there.
Time for an omelet.
So you're gonna take your small tin, put it in the big tin at a slight angle.
Okay.
Tap it so it's nice and close, so you're not gonna spritz on yourself.
You don't want it over there?
And then grab a nice hold on it.
Okay.
And shake. There we are, yeah.
Nice.
And then, so just if you hit it right where their seal is, it'll nice and pop.
Oh, there we go.
Nailed it. I'm gonna fill the glass about 1/3 of the way
Some
with
bubbly.
soda water. And you're just gonna pour through the strainers. And you can see that it'll fizz.
That's awesome.
Right up.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. This looks delicious. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm.